Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to feed Sam food and grow a garden. First, identify Sam's unique nutritional needs, focusing on a balanced diet. Next, prepare your garden space by selecting a suitable location and enriching the soil. Then, choose appropriate plants for your climate and begin planting. Finally, learn to harvest your produce and incorporate it into Sam's daily meals for maximum health benefits and enjoyment. For Sam's optimal health, prioritize a diet rich in lean proteins, complex carbohydrates, and beneficial fats. Aim for Sam to consume at least 2 liters of water each day to maintain proper hydration. Fresh vegetables are crucial for providing essential vitamins and minerals. Remember to keep processed foods to a minimum, ideally less than 10% of Sam's overall daily food intake, for best results. To begin your garden, select a location that receives a minimum of 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. Prepare your soil by incorporating nutrient-rich compost, striving for a pH level between 6.0 and 7.0. Carefully choose plant varieties that thrive in your specific climate and available space. Ensure consistent watering, providing about 1 inch of water per week for healthy growth. Once your garden is producing, harvest vegetables when they reach their peak ripeness to ensure maximum nutritional value. Always thoroughly wash all garden produce before you begin preparing any of Sam's meals. Make it a habit to integrate these fresh, homegrown items into Sam's daily diet. This practice not only boosts Sam's health, but also offers the rewarding benefits of a sustainable food source.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.